Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class. Students, this is your life skill period and I am your life skill teacher. So, students, I hope you are all well. Before we start, I say that tomorrow your exam will start it. Tomorrow is your English literature paper. So I hope you all studying. Students, all the best for your exams. Now come back to our revision work. So today I will take life skill revision test and you will give it in your life skill copy, and after that you will show it to me. Okay? Students, open your life skill copy. Today I will take life skill revision test. I hope you all open your life skill copy. Write today's date. Today's date is 7/10/2020. Write classwork. Then write revision. After that, write question number 1. Answer the following question. After completing these part, underline the headings with the help of scale. Okay? Then write question 1. What do you understand by being punctual? You will write your answer. What do you understand by being punctual? If you have studying, then you will write your answer. If those students not studying, then they can't write their answers. Okay. Now second, give the meaning of flock. You will write the meaning of flock here. Then question number 2, fill in the blanks. Underline the heading. Okay. Then write first, Udal Singh was a dash. You will write your answer here. Then second, Sarita had to catch the dash. What did Sarita catch? You will write your answer here. Then question number 3, true or false. First, Udal Singh lived in London. You will write your answer here. If Udal Singh lived in London, this answer is true, you will write true, or if this answer is false, you will write false. Second, Sarita was not punctual. Whatever the answer, you will write it here. Okay, true or false. Then question 4, take the correct answer. Underline the heading, then write first, Sarita was running. Option A, on time, B, early, C, late. Whatever the answer, you will tick. Which answer is correct? You will mark it. Second, Sarita switched the dash off when it rang. Option is A, clock, B, mobile, C, radio. Which answer is correct? You will mark it. Okay. Last one is question number 5. Write one moral thought in your textbook. So better write your moral thought, whatever you learn. Okay? And lesson number 3, 4, 5. Whatever you learn, you will write it. Moral thought. Only one moral thought you will write it. So this is your revision test. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will attempt all the questions and write the answers. Students, writing should be neat and clean. And that's all for today. Okay? And in the paper, you will write your name, class, section, okay, and subject in your test copy. Okay? And all the best for your exams. Be prepared, and you will write it, your answers. If you have any confusion, you will ask me. And writing should be neat and clean. When you give your exams, writing should be neat and clean. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.